Evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good
Good
evening, ma'am.
evening, beta.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Good
Good
evening,
evening,
ma'am.
ma'am. Good evening, dear. So, topic remains the same, right? Topic you all know. Topic that we were doing is time and work. Hopefully, most of the question we will be covering from Bharti publication book today. I'll just wait for a minute so that some more students can join us. Only 1 minute. Till then, please settle down yourself, dear. If anyone has problem related with the audio or the screen, do write in the chat box. Today we will do all the questions from Bharati publication books, including the previous year question. Okay, including the previous year questions. So here you go. The very first question of this class. Ajay and Rajesh can do a work together in 4 days. Okay, Ajay and Rajesh can do a work together in 4 days. Rajesh alone can complete work in complete the work in 6 days. How many days? How many days Ajay will take to complete the work? This is the question, and the options are okay. I think now you are able to see the whole screen, right? A, B, C, D. Options are 8 days, 9 days, 10 days, or 12 days. Okay. I'm repeating the question once more and then I will start the poll. Ajay and Rajesh can do a work together in 4 days. Rajesh alone can complete the work in 6 days. How many days Ajay will take to complete the work? 8, 9, 10, or 12? Okay, and I'm starting poll for you. Here you go. Sharan Kumar, Shubha, Swastik, very good beta. First three to answer me. 22 of you have given me the correct answer, but many of you have given the wrong answer as well. Okay, let us see how we are going to do it. Ajay and Rajesh can do a work in 4 days, right? So 1 day work of Ajay and Rajesh is 1 by 4, right? 1 day work of Ajay and Rajesh is 1 by 4. And Rajesh can alone do a work in 6 days. That means 1 day work of Rajesh is 1 upon 6. 1 day work of Rajesh is 1 upon 6. Now, what you have to do in order to find the Ajay's work, you will subtract Ajay plus Rajesh minus Rajesh, right? That means 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. In order to find the time that Ajay will take, what you will do, you will subtract 1 by 4, that is Ajay plus Rajesh, minus 1 upon 6, that is Rajesh. Now, how you will subtract it? 4 and 6 ka you will find out what? The LCM. So 4 and 6 ka LCM is 12. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 threes are 12. That's why I will write 3 here. 6 into 2 is 12. That's why I will write 2 here. Now, subtract it. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 2, 1 upon the 12, right? 1 day work of Ajay is 1 upon 12. So total number of days will be how much? Reciprocal of it, that is 12 days. Total number of days, reciprocal of it, 12 days. Yes, Parvez?
Ma'am, have you got 12 in the denominator?
Beta, LCM of 4 and 6. Calculate the LCM of 4 and 6. Those who don't know how to calculate the LCM of 4 and 6, beta, please watch the recording once. I will revise it also, but please do watch the recording. Yes, Nikumto? Quickly.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Okay, explaining this beta. Yes, Gahan?
Ma'am, why we can't do 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, ma'am?
6 plus 4 is 10, beta. Why? How we will get? Ajay and Rajesh is doing work in 4 days. They can complete a work in 4 days. Rajesh can do a work in 6 days. Then why will you add 6 plus 4? Can you please tell me? You can't add them, beta. Yes, Biha. Anurag Maji, quickly.
LCM 24.
LCM is not 24, beta. Take out the LCM of 4 and 6. It is 12. That means you have to find the greatest number, a number which is divisible by 4 as well as 6. Okay, 4 as well as 6. So yes, 24 is also divisible by 4 and 6, beta, but you have to find the lowest number. So 12 is a number which is divisible by 4 and 6, and it is the lowest common multiple of them. Yes, we have.
Understand the question, ma'am. Can you explain me?
Okay, I'm explaining this once more, beta, for the last time. Please look on the board, everyone. Question says that Ajay and Rajesh can do a work together in 4 days. Rajesh alone can complete the work in 6 days. How many days Ajay will take to complete the work? So I know that Ajay and Rajesh together they are taking 4 days. So 1 day work of Ajay and Rajesh will be 1 by 4. If you ask me, ma'am, why can't we do 4 minus 6? So that is not the way we can do it. Okay, that is not the process we have to follow. We have to take 1 day work. 1 day work is 1 upon 4. Rajesh, 1 day work is 1 upon 6. Now you will minus that. So 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6. 4 and 6 ka LCM is 12. 4 में you will multiply 3 to get 12. That's why I wrote 3 here. 6 में you will multiply 2 to get 12. That's why 2 here. 3 minus 2 is 1. Denominator remains the same. That is 12. 1 by 12 is 1 day work. Total number of days. Do the reciprocal of it. So 12 days answer. 12 day is your answer. Please take the screenshot, beta. Going to give you the another question. Next question that I'm giving you is from Sanic School 2019. You can find all the questions in Bharti publication. Okay. So the question says A takes 12 days, P takes 10 days to complete a work. Okay. Let me make this B. Okay. It will be more easy. A takes 12 days, B takes 10 days to complete a work. A, B, and C take 5 days together to complete the work. Find how many days C will take to complete the same work. Option A 70 days, option B 90 days, option C 60 days, option D 50 days. I'm explaining the question and then I shall start the poll beta. A takes 12 days to complete a work, B takes 10 days to complete a work. Together, A, B, and C take 5 days to complete the work. You have to find out how many days will C take to complete the work. And here you go. You can answer in the poll quickly. Sanskriti, Sudeep Sai, Monica, very good beta. First three to answer me. 44 of you have given me the correct answer this time. Very smart, everyone. Okay, let us see how we are going to do this question, dear. Let us see. I know that E can do the piece of work in 12 days. B can do it in 10 days. A plus B plus C together can do in 5 days. If you have to calculate for C, dear, so what you will do? A plus B plus C का one day work, you will minus 1 by A minus 1 by B. From the total work of A plus B plus C, you shall minus the work of A and the work of B. You will get the work for C. So, A plus B plus C, 1 by 5 minus A is 12 days, that is 1 by 12 minus B is for 10 days. So, 1 day work will be 1 upon 10. This is my equation. This is my equation. I have to solve it now. LCM of 5, 12, and 60. Now, many of you tell me that, ma'am, how to find the LCM? I don't know. You have to find the number which is divisible by 5 also, that is divisible by 12 also, and that is divisible by 10 also. But it should be the lowest number. If I tell you that 120. So yes, 120 is divisible by 5 also. 120 is divisible by 12 also. 120 is divisible by 10 also. But you have to see that is there any number less than 120 which is divisible by 5, 12 and 10? So I know yes, 12 fives are 60. 60 is divisible by 5 also. 60 is divisible by 12 also. 60 is divisible by 10 also. Apart from that, I cannot get any number which is divisible by all three and less than 60. So my LCM would be 60. Okay, LCM would be 60. Short trick for LCM data, I will teach you again. Okay, I will teach you again once I'm done with these chapters. But because this LCM thing, beta, you need to practice in every chapter. It's coming to find the LCM, right? Wherever there is calculation, it's a request from my side that LCM, how to find the LCM, the video is available. Please do watch it beta once. Okay, please do watch it. Okay, so 5, 12, 10 ka LCM is 60. That is the lowest common multiple. A number which is divided by all three numbers. Now you have to see how much you multiply in 5 to get 60. So 5 12s are 60. I will write 12 here. Minus 12 may how much you multiply to get 60? So 12 into 5 is 60. I will minus 5. 10 may how much you multiply to get 60? 6. So I will write 6 here. Now what you will do? 12 minus 5. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So my answer is 60 days. Answer is 60 days. Anyone, any doubt? Please do ask me, dear. Yes, Sanskriti? Sanskriti, your mic.
Ma'am, it's not A, B, C. It's Ashu and Pranga and Ramu.
I know, beta. It's Ashu, Pranav, and Ramu. Everything I have written the same. I just wrote A, B, and C because it's the whiteboard. I have very less space. If I write Ashu and whatever Pranav and Ramu, it would have taken more time and more space. That's why I have written A, B, and C. Rest everything is same. Okay. Sometimes I just change the language of the question, nothing apart from that, so that it is easy for me to write on the whiteboard. But the question is same, Sanskriti. Yes, Sashri.
Didn't understood the question, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Naksh. Those who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hand. Those who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hand. Yes, Sherlyn.
Ma'am, is there any short trick to do?
Beta, there is only one step you have to do. What shot you will take more than this? This is the shortest
Okay.
method. Only one step is there. Yes, Nikunto.
Ma'am, we wrote C is equal to 1 upon A plus B plus C minus 1 upon A minus 1 upon B. But we didn't did 1 upon A plus B plus C.
Beta, it's given in the question that A plus B plus C together takes 5 days. That's why I have written A plus B plus C. That is 1 upon 5.
Okay.
Yes, Sarvika. Quickly.
Again,
Yes, Anurag Maji.
Ma'am, for maths, one survey is given in the Shiromani Institute. It is not opening. I have internet that it is not opening.
Okay. Okay, I'm explaining this question once more, beta. Please focus on the board, everyone. A takes 12 days to complete a work. B takes 10 days to complete a work. A, B, C together they take 5 days to complete the work. How many days will C take to complete the work alone? So what you will do? To calculate the days of C, you will take 1 day work of A plus B plus C, and then you will subtract 1 day work of A and 1 day work of B. So 1 day work of A plus B plus C is 1 upon 5. 1 day work of A is 1 by 12 and B is 1 by 10. Now you have to take out the LCM. LCM of what? LCM of 5, 12 and 10, which is 60. 5 में how much you multiply to get 60? 12. That's why I wrote 12 here. 12 में how much you shall multiply to get 60? 5. That's why 5 here. 10 में I multiply 6 to get 60. That's why 6 here. Now solve it. 12 minus 5. 7. 7 minus 6. 1. My answer is 1 upon 60. It is 1 day work of C. So total number of days, reciprocal of it, that is 60 days answer. Yes, Spurti. Please take the screenshot, everyone. I'm going to rub it.
Ma'am, can't we just do 1 by 12 plus 1 by 10? After doing it, we'll get one answer. Then we have to subtract it.
Yes, Spurti, you can do that. You can do that. That can be also done. Okay, next. Same type of question. Has come in Sainik School 2020 also. Okay, with the language change. A can do a work in 16 days. B can do it in 12 days. With the help of C, they do it in 4 days only. How many days C will take alone? Okay. This has come in Sainik School 2020. 9 1 by 5, 9 2 by 5, 9 3 by 5, 9 4 by 5. Okay. And here you go. Same type of question it is that we did last time. Okay. Sudeep Sai, Akshay Dharmik, and Lavanish. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 28 of you have given me the correct answer. I was expecting more. This question is same as the previous one. Same as the previous one. Just give me a second. A can do a work in 16 days. B can do the work in 12 days. With the help of C, they complete the work in 4 days only. How many days will C take alone? So I will do the same thing. If I have to calculate for C, what will I do? 1 day work of A plus B plus C minus 1 day work of A, 1 day work of B. Same formula, same trick. 1 day work of A plus B plus C is how many days? 4 days given in the question. And then 1 day work of A is 1 upon 60. 1 day work of B is 1 upon 12. Now you have to solve it. So first what you will do, you will calculate the LCM for 4, 16 and 12. So 16 is the greatest number, right? 16 is the greatest number. 16 comes in the table for 4, but not in the table of 12. 16 into 2, 32. 32 also comes in the table of 4, but not of 12. 16 threes are 48. 48 comes in the table of 4 also, because 48 is divisible by 4, 12 times. 16 into 3 is 48. 12 into 4 is 48. That means I can take my LCM 48. I can take my LCM 48. Now, 4 में what you will multiply to get 48? 12. Because 12 fours are 48, right? So you will write 12 there. 12 minus 16 में how much do you multiply to get 48? So right now I told you 16 threes are 48. 12 में how much you multiply to get 48? 4. Now subtract it. So what you will get? 12 minus 3, 9 and 9 minus 4, 5. 5 by 48 beta is 1 day work of C. Total number of days would be what? Reciprocal of it, that is 48 by 5. 48 by 5 days is the answer. And you have to convert this 48 by 5 days into what? Into mixed fraction. So it becomes 9 3 by 5 days. Answer, that is option C. Yes, Mansi?
Ma'am, 4 and 16 and
12.
ma'am, I didn't understood, ma'am, this question.
Okay. Yes, Devayush?
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Okay, those who want me to explain this again, please lower down a hand, beta. If you want me to explain this again, you can lower down a hand. If you have specific question, only then raise your hand. Yes, Parthiv? Parthiv?
Ma'am, you can explain question. I didn't understand question.
Okay, beta. If you want me to explain the question again, please lower down a hand, beta. Yes, Baldev?
Ma'am, how did this 48 come?
Take the LCM of 4, 16 and 12, beta. LCM of 4, 16 and 12 will be 48. Yes, you win.
At the whole part?
Yes, Nikumto?
Ma'am, can you please explain how you converted that improper fraction into
Okay.
mixed fraction?
Yes, Sajid? Yes, Sajid? Okay, I'm explaining this once more, beta, everyone. Please focus on the board. First thing, dear, I will explain step by step. First thing, dear, A can do a work in 16 days. Okay, A can do a work in 16 days. B can do it in 12 days. With the help of C, they can complete the work in 4 days. You have to find how many days will C take. It is the same question that we did the last. C का word what you will do? 1 upon में A plus B plus C का 1 day word minus 1 upon A minus 1 upon B. A plus B plus C together they take 4 days. So 1 by 4, 1 day work. A takes 16 days. So 1 day work is 1 upon 16. B takes 12 days. So 1 day work is 1 upon 12. Now you have to take the LCM. LCM of 4, 16 and 12. So LCM of 4, 16 and 12 is 48. You have to take such a number which is the lowest common multiple divided by all. So 48 divisible by 4 also. 48 is divisible by 16 also. 48 is divisible by 12 also. So 48 is my LCM. What you will multiply in 4 to get 48? 12. So I wrote 12 here. 16 में how much you will multiply to get 48? 3. That's why I wrote 3 here. 12 में how much you multiply to get 48? 4. I wrote 4 here. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. So 5 by 48 is 1 day work of C. Total number of days, reciprocal of it. That is 48 by 5. Now you have to convert this into mixed fraction. How you do? So 48 you will divide by 5. 9 times में 45 you will get. Remainder 3. Denominator remains the same. That is 5. Whatever is the quotient beta, you write here in the side. And whatever is the remainder, you write at the numerator. So 9 whole 3 by 5 is your answer. Yes, we have.
Ma'am, your screen is coming blank, ma'am.
Beta, if it's black, please exit and rejoin. Yes, Sahil, Shabana.
Cancellation take place here. 12
Pardon?
minus 3.
Beta, 12 minus 3 is 9 and 9 minus 4 is 5. Yes, Chirag, Charan Tej. अरे हाथ उठाने के बाद have patient wait for 1 or 2 seconds. Yes, Chirag. Yes, Charan Tej. Charan, beta not audible. Yes, Devayush.
Ma'am, what you have written in the down?
I have written LCM of 4, 16 and 12, that is 48.
That is not visible.
Nishant, I will just kick you out of the class. Yes, J. Marhit. Not audible, beta J. Okay. Please take the screenshot. Going to give you another question. Yes, Charan Tej. Beta Charan, your mic is not on. When you raise your hand, beta, after raising your hand, you have to turn on your mic also when I call out your name. I'm going to give you the same type of question once more. Okay, with the digits change. With the digits change, I'm going to give you same type of question once more. A can do a work in 4 days. B can do it. A can do a work in 4 days. B can do it in 6 days. A plus B plus C can do it in 2 days. How many days will C take alone? Same type of question, only the digits I have changed. Okay, only the digits are changed. Question is same. 8 days, 9 days, 10 days, or 12 days. Here you go. Answer me quickly. Omkar, Swastik, and Sal Shabana, very good beta. First three to answer me. Almost 40 of you have given me the correct answer this time. I just changed the digit beta, nothing else. See, you have to find the time for C, right? So what we will do? A plus B plus C minus 1 upon A minus 1 upon B. A plus B plus C together takes 2 days. A takes 4 days. B takes 6 days. Now solve it. 2, 4, 6. LCM is 12. 2 means how much you multiply to get 12? 6. I will write 6 here. 4, how much you multiply to get 12? 3. I shall write 3 here. 6, how much you multiply to get 12? 2. 6 2s are 12. I will write 2 here. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, 1 day work of C is 1 upon 12. Total number of days would be reciprocal of it, that is 12 days. Answer option D. Yes, J. Mahik, you have raised your hand, beta. Anyone, any doubts? Do ask me. Yes, Diksha.
Explain this again.
Okay, I'm explaining this for the last time, beta. Yes, Vishal. Vishal, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Okay, I'm explaining this for the last time. Please focus on the board, everyone. E can do a piece of work in 4 days. B can alone do it in 6 days. A plus B plus C can do it together in 2 days. You have to find how many days will C take alone. How many days will C take alone? So, for that, what you have to do? 1 day work of A plus B plus C minus 1 day work of A minus 1 day work of B. So, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6. 2, 4, 6. LCM is 12. What you multiply in 2 to get 12? 2 into 6. That's why 6 here. What you multiply in 4 to get 12? 3. That's why 3 here. What you multiply in 6 to get 12? 2. That's why 2 here. So 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 upon 12 is 1 day work of C. Reciprocal of it, that is 12. 12 days is the total number of days taken by C. So 12 days is the correct answer. 12 days is the correct answer. Please take the screenshot. Going to Robert. Okay, giving you different kind of question now. He can do a piece of work in 10 days. B can do it in 15 days. A work on days, in how many days will B finish the remaining work? Okay, B finish the remaining work. Options 2, 3, 4, or 6. Try yourself first and then I will help you. Here you go. Lavanish, Sudeep Sai, Kartala Manish, very good beta. First three to answer me. 18 of you have given me the correct answer. Rest everyone wrong. Okay, let us see how we will do it. The question says here that A can do a piece of work in 10 days. B can do it in 15 days. But A worked for 8 days. Only 8 days. Suppose if A can do a work in 10 days, so I'm writing it beta, everything I'm writing so that it's easy for you to understand. 1 day work of A is what? 1 day work of A is 1 upon 10. 1 day work of A is 1 upon 10. A works for 8 days. So 8-day work of A will be what? If 1 day he can work 1 upon 10, so 8 days he will work 1 upon 10 into 8. That is 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10, I can simplify. I can simplify. 4 by 5. 8 upon 10 can be simplified. 4 by 5. 4 by 5 work has been done by it. Now the remaining work is to be finished by B. So first let us find that how much work is remaining. Last class, I told you that work is always 1. Work is always 1. So one work may say 4 by 5 has been completed. One work may say 4 by 5 has been completed. So 1 minus 4 by 5. You know what's the short trick for it? Whenever you have to subtract any fraction from 1, what you will do? Whatever is the denominator, you will write same, and then this denominator and numerator you will subtract. So 5 minus 4, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is the remaining work. 1 by 5 is the remaining work. Okay? You have to find number of days B can do it. Number of days B can do it. So B's number of days for remaining work would be what? There is a formula for it. Work to be be done by work done per day. Okay? There is a formula for it. Work to be done by work done per day. In order to calculate these number of days, that means B will take to complete the remaining work. Work to be done. What's the remaining work? Remaining work is 1 upon 5 divided work done per day. If B works completes the work in 15 days, so 1 day work of B will be 1 upon 15. 1 by 5 into 15 by 1. 5 1 is 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 days is the correct answer. 3 days is the correct answer. Okay. Those who want me to explain this again, you can lower down your hand. If specific doubt, keep your hand raised. Okay, Rachna.
Ma'am, anyone shared screen to our phone, ma'am?
If it happens, please spin my video. Okay? Yes, you win.
Ma'am, somebody is sending screens, ma'am.
If it happens, please pin my video. Yes, Nikumto.
Ma'am, this one is sharing screen, and even if I pin your video, it's not working.
Beta, you can pin my video. Whenever someone starts sharing the screen, please do pin my video. Okay. And yes, for that reason, I'm taking PTM this Sunday. Okay. This is an announcement for everyone. This Sunday, I'm taking PTM. And this PTM, you will get your time as per your EN number. You will get specific time slot. You have to join during that time slot. It would be updated in your announcement section. Okay. This Sunday is your PTM. I'm going to take it. I want to talk to your parents. Simple. If you have any problem, you convey it to me. And whatever problem I'm facing in the class, especially with some specific students, I will convey that to their parents. And it's a request that all of you will attend the PTM. Those who don't attend the PTM, don't think that you will be free beta, because I will be making calls then. I will for sure make calls if you don't attend the PTM. So please attend the PTM as per your time slot. It will be updated in your announcement section that what's your time slot. Okay, coming back to this question. Yes, Banisha. Yes, Vita? Okay, no hand raises. See, A can do a piece of work in 10 days. B can do it in 15 days. Okay, A can complete any work in 10 days. B can complete the work in 15 days. But A alone worked for 8 days. A alone worked for 8 days. How many days B will finish the remaining work? So first let us see that how much work has been done by A. 1 day work of A is 1 upon 10, because A can complete a work in 10 days. So 1 day he will work 1 upon 10. 8 days may he will complete 1 upon 10 into 8. That is 8 by 10 work. This 8 by 10 can be simplified. 8 by 10, 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 work has been completed. Remaining work, 1 minus 4 by 5. So 5 minus 4 upon me 5. 1 by 5 is the remaining work. Number of days B will take. So you will use a short trick formula for it. Work to be done by work done per day. So remaining work is how much? 1 upon 5. And work done per day by B. If We can complete work in 15 days. So 1 day work will be 1 upon 15. Solve it 1 by 5. This division becomes multiplication. 1 upon 15 becomes reciprocal. 15 divided 5, 3 days is your answer. 3 days is your answer. Yes, Kartala Manish?
How 5 came, ma'am?
Beta 4 by 5 is the remaining work. 8-day work of A. 1 minus 4 by 5. So 5 minus 4 upon 5, you get 1 by 5, the remaining work. That's why 5. Yes, J Mahit. Quickly, beta. Mahit, I cannot get any sound from your end. Yes, Sherlyn.
Understand that B is no of this work to be done that one part.
This is beta the formula, short trick formula, work to be done upon work done per day. This formula you have to learn. Work to be done is the remaining work, that is 1 by 5. By means divide. Work done per day by B is 1 upon 15. 1 by 5 divided 1 by 15. So 1 by 5 divide becomes multiply and 1 by 15 becomes reciprocal, that is 15 upon 1. So 15 and 5 simplified, you get 3 days.
Ma'am, so why did you, from division, why did you convert it into multiplication?
Then how you will do it? 1 by 5 divided 1 by 15, how you will do it? How you would simplify? Tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
How would you simplify? Tell me. Okay. Whenever there is division there, division becomes the multiplication, and as soon division becomes multiplication, the fraction becomes reciprocal. So 1 upon 15 becomes 15 by 1. You divide 15 by 5, you get 3. Yes, Zeron Thomas.
How will you get 1 by 15, ma'am?
Beta, B can do a work in 15 days. That's why 1 day work is 1 by 15. Okay? Yes, Sahashri.
आज 2 hours class है कि 1 hour class?
Please check your timetable for that. Yes, Anurag Maji.
Ma'am, how to do the remaining work? I didn't understand the remaining work.
Okay. So remaining work there, in order to find the remaining work is always 1. You will minus the 8-day work of A from 1. So 1 minus 4 by 5. There is a short trick for it to subtract any fraction from 1. So the denominator remains the same beta, and whatever is the denominator, subtract the numerator from it. So 5 minus 4, 1. 1 by 5 is the remaining work. Yes, Kartala Monish.
Ma'am, in which app we have to attend the PTM, ma'am?
Everything will be updated in your announcement section. Please do check your announcement section for the PTM details, okay? That's it for today, everyone. Please take the screenshot. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Bye, everyone.